Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Hyundai Ioniq charging port. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. First, locate the charging port, which is usually found on the rear passenger side of your vehicle. Before proceeding, make sure your Ioniq is unlocked. This simple step ensures the charging port door can be opened without any issues, getting you ready to charge up quickly and efficiently. Once you've located the port and confirmed your vehicle is unlocked, the next step is to open the door itself. Simply apply a gentle press to the charging port door. You'll feel a slight click as the latch releases, and the door will then pop open smoothly. This reveals the charging inlet, making it accessible for your charging cable. It's designed for ease of use, so no force is needed. With the charging port door open, you're ready to connect your charging cable. Take your charging cable connector and carefully align it with the vehicle's charging inlet. Ensure the orientation is correct to avoid any damage. Once aligned, push the connector firmly into the port until you hear or feel a distinct click. This confirms a secure connection, allowing electricity to flow to your Ioniq's battery. When your Ioniq is fully charged or you need to stop charging, disconnecting is just as easy. First, press the release button on the charging cable handle. This will unlock the connector from the vehicle's port. Then, gently pull the cable straight out. Finally, close the charging port door by pushing it until it latches securely. You'll hear a soft click, indicating it's properly closed and protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.